Steel wood grain doors, the new standard for modern healthcare facilities. For immediate release. In an era where healthcare environments demand both aesthetic excellence and uncompromising functionality, a new generation of hospital doors is making waves in medical facility design. These steel wood grain doors combine the warmth of natural wood aesthetics with the durability of medical-grade materials, setting a new benchmark for patient safety and interior design. Unmatched hygiene and durability, crafted with 1.0 mm thick clean steel plates. These doors withstand the rigorous demands of hospital settings. The surface demonstrates exceptional resistance to scratches, impacts, and daily wear from medical equipment such as surgery carts, maintaining their appearance through years of heavy use. The integration of SUS 304 stainless steel with antibacterial properties represents a significant advancement in patient safety. Research confirms that stainless steel modified with copper demonstrates excellent antibacterial properties, effectively inhibiting the breeding of bacteria. This technology provides continuous protection against harmful microorganisms, crucial for preventing cross-contamination in medical environments. Beyond their visual appeal, these doors deliver practical advantages that enhance daily operations. The surfaces resist chemicals and can be thoroughly cleaned with disinfectants or abrasive cleaners without compromising their appearance, a critical feature for maintaining sterile environments. Customized solutions for healthcare settings. The emergence of steel wood grain doors represents a significant step forward in healthcare design, where every element must balance technical performance with human-centered design. As medical facilities continue to evolve, these doors stand ready to meet the changing needs of patients and healthcare providers alike. About the product, the Althor-grade steel wood grain doors combine 1.0 mm clean steel plates with SUS 304 antibacterial stainless steel components, exceeding 45 mm thickness for superior performance in medical environments. These doors meet international standards for hygiene, durability, and safety while providing the aesthetic appeal of natural wood grains.